The 2025 Bedford TM roars back into the spotlight as a bold revival of a classic nameplate, combining British trucking heritage with modern engineering to meet the demands of today's freight industry. Known originally for its rugged practicality and military-grade reliability, the TM series has been reimagined for the 21st century as a heavy-duty workhorse built for endurance, efficiency, and environmental responsibility. Powering the new TM is a Euro 6 12.8 turbo diesel engine that produces 510 horsepower and a formidable 2,450 Newton-meters of torque. Paired with a 12-speed ZF Traxxon automated transmission, this configuration provides optimal pulling power and fuel efficiency, particularly for long-haul and intercontinental logistics operations. The 2025 TM also offers a fully electric variant with a dual-motor setup generating 600 horsepower and 3,200 Newton-meters of instant torque, featuring a 700 kilowatt-hours battery pack capable of delivering up to 500 kilometers of range on a single charge. The cab design of the TM Cabover is unmistakably modern, with aerodynamic sculpting, LED lighting, and a panoramic windshield for enhanced visibility. Inside, the truck is loaded with digital upgrades, including a full-width smart dash with a 15-inch touch interface, real-time diagnostics, over-the-air updates, and an AI-based driver assistance system offering Level 2 autonomy. Ergonomics have been vastly improved, with a flat floor design, noise-reducing materials, and a luxury-grade sleeper cab tailored for long-distance comfort. When compared to contemporary rivals like the DAF-X, Mercedes-Benz Actros, and Scania, the Bedford TM holds its ground admirably. While it may not yet have the global scale of its competitors, the TM Cabover offers standout torque, delivery, and a fresh digital infrastructure that appeals to fleet operators looking for reliability with a tech-forward twist. Against the Actros, the Bedford provides a more intuitive cabin interface. Compared to the Scania R, it rivals in torque while slightly undercutting on price. And when lined up with the DAF XF, it competes directly in range and driver comfort. Historically, Bedford played a significant role in British commercial transport throughout the mid-20th century, with the TM range being a favorite among military and commercial fleets for its durability. After a long hiatus, its 2025 reintroduction marks a significant return, not as a nostalgia piece, but as a forward-thinking machine ready for modern road challenges. In the future, the Bedford TM Cabover could carve out a significant niche in markets, valuing robust performance and digital connectivity. As emission standards tighten and autonomy progresses, Bedford's resurgence may help redefine what a legacy truck manufacturer can achieve in the electric and smart logistics era.